using the YouTube app to upload your video directly, because it could be the reason why your video have not been performing better, why you have not been getting views and subscribers on YouTube. Now in this video, I am going to teach you the right way to use the Chrome browser and the YouTube Studio to upload your video. I found out that most YouTubers don't even know how to log into their YouTube Studio using the Chrome browser. Okay, so many of you think that you can only log into your YouTube Studio using the laptop. No, in this video I am going to teach you how to log into your YouTube Studio using the Chrome browser with your smartphone. Now I'm going to do this with your smartphone. All right, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Coach Uche, and in this channel I help small YouTubers grow and monetize their channel very fast and in the right way. I also teach you the mistakes that you have to avoid so that you don't have issues here on YouTube. Now if this sounds like something you're interested in, go ahead and do what and hit the subscribe button. It's totally for free. Now without wasting much time, let me teach you how to access your YouTube Studio using the Chrome browser. Let's go. Okay, first of all, download Chrome browser, okay, and open it either from App Store or from Play Store. Open it, then click on this three dot line here, this three dot line, okay, then click on this new incognito tab, click on it, and then you type this YouTube Studio, then click on it, YouTube Studio, click on YouTube Studio, and then you click on this sign in. All right, sign in, then you input your YouTube email. Do you understand? Input the email and also input the password. Do you understand? Then like this it will be open, and then if you want to upload video, click on this create and click on upload video, then click on this select from file so that you can select your video. Then you click on choose file and then you select the video. Now one important thing I have to take note of this, you see this video that I want to upload is saved to my file. Do you understand? Now I did not just save this video the way my editing app gave it to me. You can see I changed the name. That's why I have to save it to file. You please always do this, always save your video to file. See this other image, you can see is the way my editing app gave me, but see the second one I want to upload on YouTube, you can see I saved it with on file. Do you understand? And with a different name. It's important you always save your YouTube videos this way. Do you understand? Then I'll choose the video. Now the next thing that I will do is to put my video description. Okay, I will put the video title and then the video description, what my video is talking about. You can see it here, so I'm going to put the video. Next is to put my thumbnail. Then I'll click on this thumbnail area and then choose my thumbnail. All right, you can see it. You click on it, then I'll choose my thumbnail. Okay, next thing now is to fix your channel. It's not meant for kids, except your channel is a kids channel. But if you know you are creating adult video, please always put it no, it is not meant for kids. Do you understand? Because this is the next place they will ask you to input or select the categories of people that your video is actually meant for. That if you know you are creating an adult of videos, you can just say yes, but if you know, please just put it at no. Okay, then next is to see AI use, whether they are asking you in this place now whether you use AI in your video. If you know you not use AI, always put it on no. Okay, all right, then the next one, now you input your video tags. Okay, now tags is to make your video searchable, the keywords, that is what we call tags. Do you understand? So you select your tags, very important. Now please, if you don't know the right tags to use for your video or even your right description to use on your video, you can always go and ask ChatGPT, okay, and it will give to you. Hope you understand. So it's important that you come here and input all these things that I'm mentioning before you finally upload your video on YouTube. Now moving forward, now that you have chosen your tag, the next one is to just click on this allow. The next is to click on this, make sure this box is ticked. Okay, this allow embed, then publish to subscribers field, make sure the two boxes are ticked. All right, next choose your video category, then click on next. Look at next here so that it will take you to the next interface. Good. Now you to come here, now you need to add end screen. This is where you can add end screen card. Do you understand? The reason why I said you shouldn't use the YouTube Studio app direct to upload, because you will not see this. Do you understand? So you can put your card, your end screen. Now what do I mean card and end screen? Okay, card is actually, you know, to allow YouTube to suggest your other video. Do you understand? Why the other one finish playing? You can see some people, when you are watching their video, immediately after their video finish playing, you will see that some will be displayed. Okay, some of their video again will be displayed on that same video that is playing. So this is where they normally come to do it. Okay, this you can see it, add end screen. You can see, just click on add end screen, then you click on this import from video. Okay, it will now take you to other of your video. You can now choose any particular video. Do you understand? You can now choose any particular video that you want it to display immediately after that video that you were talking about finish playing. This one's now that you will choose now. That is why we always come here to put it end screen, call it end screen. This one's now that you will take immediately after that one finish playing. They will display it, and if anybody clicks on it, they will start watching other of your video. That is the main purpose of using this website or using this Chrome browser like this to upload video on YouTube, so that you can see other features like this end screen and cards on your video. Do you understand? All right, then the next option now is to choose when your video will be published. Do you understand? Now I always advise you that you always put your video in a unlisted or on private. Yes, just keep watching. I'm going to take you through. Okay, now the reason why I said you should always choose private or unlisted is this: when you choose private or unlisted, it will make you YouTube algorithm time for them to properly examine your video, whether the video has issues or not. Don't just rush to put your video to public. Do you understand? Now after inputting all these things, I am going to show you now the next one. Now I'm going to show you here now how you need to publish it the right way. Do you understand? You first of all choose unlisted or on private. Like me, I normally put my own in on private. Yes, look at it, private. Now the reason why I normally do this, I normally put my own on private, is that I just want the YouTube algorithm to take their time and check this video, because sometimes when you hardly publish your video, there might be a lot of mistakes, but when you put it on private, you will give them time for them to properly examine, check the video. Do you understand? Just like I see now, we are checking your content because I put it on private. Do you understand? Now they will just tell you that if you hold on, they will use their hand to check. If your video has issues, they will still notify you. Then you can quickly do correction, because by the time you publish publicly, you cannot do correction again. So by the time you put it here on this private or unlisted, any of them is okay. Either you choose unlisted or private. It will give them time for them to check your video. They will properly check it. If there is issue, they will notify you for you to do necessary adjustment and corrections before finally uploading it or publishing it to public. Do you understand now? So that is the essence of putting it in a public or private. I hope you understand. So if there is something you want me to put you through, you understand, you can as well drop it on in the comment section. If you want me to personally put you through on anything, any question you have at all, go ahead and drop it on in the comment section. I will now answer you. All right, because I'm actually here to help you grow as a YouTuber. So if there is anything you don't understand, feel free to ask me. All right, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, now like this video, okay, and you can as well subscribe so that you'll be seeing more of my posts. All right, so